You can see I have made 2 more rows in red color in the other side of the top. So I'm going to do the same for the right side. Make 2 rows in red color. Okay, now let's start the other side of the top. So you need to make 2 rows in red color. So attach the crochet hook to the first double crochet in the previous row. Make a slip stitch. And then make 3 chains again. And make another chain and make a double crochet in the next chain 1 space. And place 3 double crochets in the next chain 1 space. Again chain 1 and 3 more double crochets in the next chain 1 space. So continue making double crochet clusters in each chain 1 space, and I'll show you how to continue double crochet clusters in this shoulder piece. So you can see I have made double crochet clusters in each chain 1 space. So now when you come to the top of the first side, you need to make 3 double crochets where you have stitched the 2 pieces together. Make 3 double crochets in that space. Now let's skip 1 chain 3 space and place 3 double crochets in the next chain 3 space. Now continue this, and you need to make 3 double crochets in each chain 1 space. And now I'm at the end of the row, so I'm making 2 double crochets on the last 2 double crochets. And now I'm done with the first row. And to start the second row, make 3 chains again and turn over. And you just need to follow along. Make 3 double crochets in each chain 1 space. Now let's start making the sleeves. So to make the sleeves, you need to wrap these 2 pieces around your arm and measure how much space you need for this sleeve. for me, I measured myself and I'm going to leave 6 double crochet clusters below the sleeve, and I'm going to show you how I did that. So find the bottom 2 corners of the 2 pieces and leave 6 3 double crochet clusters and place your hook in the next stitch. Now attach your yarn with the slip stitch like this, and make 3 chains as the first double crochet, and make another chain to make the chain 1 space, and now make 3 more double crochets in the next chain 1 space. Again chain 1 and 3 double crochets in the next chain 1 space. So keep continuing this stitch and leave 6 spaces on the other side. So now I'm going to attach the 2 pieces together. So for that you need to find the 6th space of the both sides and place your hook through both chain 1 spaces, and grab your yarn and pull through the space and make a double crochet. Now make another 2 double crochets to make the last double crochet cluster and turn over. And now you can see this is the first double crochet we made, and now make another 2 double crochets in that same space from where you started making the double crochets. So place another 2 double crochets in there, now let's attach the yarn to the top of the first double crochet. So now you can see I have finished the first row of the sleeve. So you just need to continue. So add another row with red color or any other color you like. I'm going to add another row with green color. So I'm making a slip knot and attach your yarn to any chain 1 space from the previous row. Create a slip stitch and chain 3, and make another 2 double crochets in the same space. Chain 1 and another 3 double crochets in the next chain 1 space. So continue this double crochet clusters and chain 1 all the way to the last chain 1 space, and now you can attach the yarn to the top of the first double crochet you made with a slip stitch, and then you are done with this row. And you can continue this for as many number of rows you want. You can decide the length of the sleeve you like. So this is how you make another row, so you don't have to cut off the yarn. You can continue for this next row like this. So I'm going to add 4 more rows to this sleeve, and I'll show you the final look. So here is the final look. You can see I have added 3 colors to the sleeve and stitched the 2 pieces together. I added 3 colors of green and 3 colors of yellow, and to stitch the 2 pieces I use single crochets to the 6 granny square clusters we had at the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned how to make this beautiful crochet top. So feel free to ask any questions. Thank you guys.